I'm Patrick Hartendorp. I'm a colorectal surgeon here at NYU Winthrop. I grew up about 10 minutes away from the hospital where my first experiences were volunteering during my high school years at Chaminade. From the very beginning, I learned that NYU Winthrop was a great place to work and care for patients. After receiving my undergraduate degree at Notre Dame, I attended Jefferson Medical College in Philadelphia. I was lucky enough to come home to Long Island and complete my general surgery residency at Stony Brook University Hospital. The residency program at Stony Brook allowed me to spend about a third of my 5-year residency here at Winthrop taking care of patients. I then went on to colorectal surgery specialization at the University of Texas, working with the world-class surgeons of the Colon and Rectal Clinic in Houston. I decided to pursue a career in surgery through the positive influence of my father, who himself is a colorectal surgeon in the area. For over 30 years, he's cared for the patients of Nassau County. From his example as a role model and mentor, I learned how rewarding our profession is and how good it feels to do good. My goal is to continue his legacy and to create my own practice of compassionate and quality care for the patients of NYU Winthrop, to develop meaningful relationships with my patients and to always do what's best for them. The focus of my practice is colon and rectal surgery. The treatment of benign conditions like diverticular disease, colonic polyps, and inflammatory bowel disease, and also malignant disease like colon, rectal, and anal cancer. A good portion of my practice will also be dedicated to the treatment of anorectal conditions like hemorrhoids, anal abscesses and fistulas, anal fissures, rectal prolapse, constipation, and incontinence. In addition to standard open and laparoscopic procedures, I also perform robotic surgery. Using the robot to perform surgery allows for less postoperative pain, minimal scarring, quicker recovery rates, and shorter hospital stays. This is very much a homecoming for me, and it feels good to be back in New York. Although I always consider myself as a New Yorker, I picked up a little bit of Midwest nice and Southern hospitality along the way. It also feels great to be able to come back to the community from which I learned so much during my years of training. I'm happy to be part of the NYU Winthrop family.